Hindi naman ibig sabihin na entertainment group is allowing that. But, yung mga paglabas nila yon, unang-una sa lahat, they came out prior to the campaign period. So, hindi pa masasabing kandidato talaga sila. Pero sasabihin nyo, obvious naman eh. Pero still, technically, even COMELEC, walang magagawa dyan. Kahit natanongin natin sa COMELEC, walang mga batas na magpipigil sa kanila na maglabas ng mga tarpaulin nila, ng mga poster nila, na lumabas sila sa umere sila. Kasi hindi pa sila considered as candidates because the campaign period has not kicked off officially. Pangalawa, yung paglabas nila sa entertainment, because entertainment group has separate or independent guidelines. It is beyond us in the GMA Integrated News. But they come out as pseudo advertisements, meaning ang arrangement is like a block timer in commercial aspect. So, again, since we are separate from the entertainment group, while we acknowledge your concern, and the concern of a lot of us probably, they still operate separately from GMA Integrated News. Kaya, it is beyond us. But then again, we make sure that once the campaign period has started, all policies of the COMELEC will be strictly followed.